So the last technique is called scribbling. And scribbling is a technique that uses small, quickly drawn circular scribbles to add value, which is, light and dark. The closer the scribbles are drawn, the darker the shadow will be, and the further apart the scribbles are, the lighter the shadow will be. So the same rules apply. So I'll kind of just doodle around up here on a separate piece of paper really quick to kind of show you this process. So what I mean by small scribbles, small circular scribbles, is this right here. You're just going to quickly draw. I'm going to have my side of my hand on the table, and I'm just going to quickly draw small circles like this. We're not trying to go, scribble like that right now at this point, but you can see that the more I scribble and the more I go over it, the darker it's going to appear. While if I press really lightly and don't go over it so many times, the lighter it's going to appear. So in our first box, we're just going to kind of get a feel for this. And if you mess up, that's fine. We can always retry it. I'm just going to not apply any pressure and to set my pen tip on my paper and just kind of as quickly as I can just kind of fill in that space, just like that. And that looks pretty good. Okay, you can see there's a lot of gap between them still. There's a lot of white paper showing through. So as I progress this way, I'm just going to try to scribble a little bit more, to fill in a little bit more space each time using this circular method. You can start to see a difference. Okay, and if you've got any big openings like up here around the border, don't fret out about it too much. It's not that big a deal. So for the third one, gonna keep going a little bit more. Try to stay in the lines as best you can. Obviously, I kind of went out there a little bit. And just try to make each box progressively darker as you go to the right. So you can start to see a huge difference now. And then the last box. Really try to fill this in nicely. And there you have it. There's the scribbling technique.